Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hnin. Happy New Year, and this is the first ever look for 2018 that is related to makeup. Now I got this awesome palette from a friend of mine for Christmas, and I'm going to be using the whole set to create this look. If you guys are new, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon too so that you can be notified every time I upload. Before I get into the tutorial, also know that my social medias and the products that I use will be listed down in the description box, so check them out, and let's get into this tutorial. As a transition color, I'm putting spiked cider in my crease line. Next, I'm picking up Pinecone and then putting it in my crease line just below the first color. So the color wasn't as red as I wanted to be, and so I'm picking up Plum pudding and putting it on the crease again. So the transition color kind of faded away, so I'm picking up that spiked cider again and just placing it in my crease line. So we're just going to take a concealer and an angled brush to carve out the crease. Don't worry if you made a mistake, because we'll go back in with a detailed brush to carve out that crease. Then I'm placing trims all over the place where I cut my crease. I'm gonna tightline and do my waterline with Maybelline Smooth Charcoal. On the outer corner of your lower lash line, I'm picking up Pinecone and placing it. So in the center only, I'm picking up Jolly and placing it. So in the inner corner, I'm placing Halo. So I did my foundation off camera, and I'm just going to do the contouring, blush, and highlight with this palette since it all comes in together. Ooh. hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. If you guys loved it, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below because I love to hear your feedback. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I don't know what to say. Oh. That was so weird.